If you're using CapCut on your PC and the Templates tab is missing, or you can't see any templates at all, this video will show you exactly how to fix it. This is a common issue on Windows, and there are a few different reasons why it happens. I'll go through each fix step by step. First, let's look at how CapCut is installed. If you installed CapCut from the Microsoft Store, this is usually the reason templates are missing. The Microsoft Store version is limited and often does not include templates. To fix this, open your web browser and go to the official CapCut website. Click Download for free, download the desktop version, and install it on your PC. Once CapCut opens, check to see if the Templates tab is now available. For many people, this fixes the problem straight away. If templates still aren't showing, the next thing to try is CapCut Online. Some templates are only available in the web version, not the desktop app. Go back to the CapCut website, click Try CapCut Online, and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, look on the left-hand menu and check for templates. If they appear here, you can use them directly in your browser. If templates still don't show up, this is likely due to country or region restrictions. CapCut does not offer the same templates in every country. In this case, you can try connecting to a VPN, then reopening CapCut and checking again. And that's how to fix CapCut templates not showing on PC. If this helped, leave a comment below and check out my other CapCut and Windows how-to videos. Thanks for watching.